morning student. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Student, in today's class we will solve some numerical problem from chapter physical quantities and measurement. Firstly, we will revise formulae for areas of some regular surfaces. So the area of a square equal to side into side, which is equal to side square, and area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, and area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into altitude. Now area of circle, pi r square. Here r is the radius of circle. R is the radius of circle, and pi, the value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Now student, numerical number first. A square piece of cardboard has side 25 centimeter. What is the area of cardboard in centimeter square, millimeter square and meter square? Student, in this question, the side of cardboard is 25 centimeter and we have to find out area of cardboard. Student, as you know that the area of square is side into side. Here area of cardboard is side is 25 into 25. After multiplying we get 625 centimeter square. So the area of cardboard is 625 centimeter square. Now area of cardboard in millimeter square. Student, as you know that 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. So 625 centimeter square equal to 625 into 100 millimeter square. After multiplying we get 62,500 millimeter square. So the area of cardboard in millimeter square is 62,500 millimeter square. Now the area of cardboard in meter square. Student, as you know that 1 centimeter square equal to 1/10,000 meter square. So 625 centimeter square equal to 625 divided by 10,000. After dividing we get 0.0625 meter square. So the area of cardboard in meter square is 0.0625 meter square. Student, numerical number second. The length of hall is 15 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Find the area of hall in meter square and hectares. Student, in this question length is 15 meter and breadth is 4 meter, and we have to find out area of hall. Student, as we know that the area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So the area of hall will be, length is 15 meter and breadth is 4 meter. After multiplying we get 60 meter square. So the area of hall in meter square is 60 meter square. Now the area of hall in hectare. Student, as we know that 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 60 meter square equal to 60 divided by 10,000. After dividing we get 0.006 hectare. So the area of hall is 0.006 hectare. Numerical number 3rd. The diameter of a circular field is 7 meter. Find the area of the field. Student, in this question, diameter is 7 meter and we have to find out area of the field. Student, as we know that the area of the circle equal to pi r square. So firstly we will convert diameter into radius. Student, this is the diameter of the circular field, and we know that radius is the half of the diameter. So radius will be diameter divided by 2. Here diameter is 7. After dividing we get 3.5 meter. And firstly we will apply the formula of circular field. Area of field equal to pi r square. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 3.5. After multiplying we get 38.5 meter square. So the area of the field is 38.5 meter square. Now student, numerical number 4. A triangular cardboard has a base of 8 centimeter and its height up to vertex is 4 centimeter. What is the area of cardboard? Student, in this question base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter and we have to find out area of cardboard. Student, as we know that the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into altitude. So the area of cardboard will be equal to 1 by 2 into base is 8 and altitude is 4. After multiplying we get 16 meter square. So the area of cardboard is 16 meter square. So student, with this numerical today's class is over. Thank you.